everyone, good morning. This is me, Reena Gupta, and the bulletin begins with iOS devices are easier target for hackers compared to Android. LG's lightweight Gram laptop get new Intel chips and offline AI feature. AI chip race antivirus challenges and a culture wars. What lies ahead and a big tech in 2025. Samsung Galaxy S25 series may sport car crash detection and a free advanced Gemini feature. Government issues high risk warning for Google Chrome users impacted and other details. India again delays rules to break PhonePe and Google Pay deploy. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has a message for his employees for 2025 says we need to move faster and more. In the previous quiz, we asked you which device is used for data storage. And the answer is hard disk. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is a cloud computing primarily used for? Confident you have got the answer? Drop a guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin. First up, a report by a Lookout reveals iOS devices are more vulnerable and phishing than Android, with 18.4% of iOS devices targeted in a Q3 2024. Compared to 11.4%, Android device analyzing a 220 million device and 360 million apps. Lookout attributes its vulnerabilities to the high enterprise use of iOS device, which outnumber of Android device in a workplace. In 2024, 19% of enterprises iOS device faced a phishing attacks quarterly, compared to 10.9% of Android device. The report highlights a 17% rise in credential theft and a phishing attempts, alongside a 32% increase in a malicious app. With AI enabling a more sophisticated attack, users urged to stay cautious, verify links, and avoid sharing a personal data to scrutinize unexpected emails or messages. Stay protected. Now second, LG has expanded its Gram and Gram Pro laptop lineup, introducing AI-powered features and cutting-edge hardware. The 16-inch Gram Pro debuted as the first Copilot Plus PC powered by Intel Lunar Lake Core Ultra V-Series processor. The 17-inch Gram Pro and 16-inch 2-in-1 models feature in Intel's Arrow Lake Core Ultra H series and processor. Key specs include up to 32 GB LPDDR5 memory and 2 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSDs and high-performance GPUs. Intel Arc with the 16-inch models and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 and a 17-inch. AI feature like Gram Chat on device based on LG AI research. Xen 1 model and Gram Chat Cloud powered by GPT-4o enhanced productivity. Additionally, Gram Link 2.0 seamless file sharing and enables calls management. LG also announced the entry-level Gram book set to launch in the US in 2025. In 2024, the big tech companies focus heavily on artificial intelligence, driving AI-related capital expenditures in $170 billion, a 56% YoY increase according to Forbes. Giants like Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, and Alphabet led this surge, each seeking to carve out a competitive edge. Amazon unveiled a next-gen AI models and announced that the world's largest AI compute cluster, while Apple introduced a personalized AI feature across its device. Meta enhanced Raven smart glasses with AI gain traction and open source AI models. Microsoft integrated AI into Office tools but faced setbacks, including a massive Windows outage. Google launched a new AI feature in search to counter rivals Perplexity and OpenAI but faced antitrust challenges. This aggressive AI push to underscore the industry's determination and dominate the future of technology. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is rumored to launch in January 22 in 2025. Features 4 models: Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra and S25 Sim. Leaks suggest that the first 3 models will debut at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event, with the Sim variant may arrive later. Key features include a car crash detection system that uses a sensor-like rates and its GPS identify crashes and contact emergency services. Along though intact with the current One UI version, references to this feature has appeared in a past Samsung software updates. Additionally, Google may partner with the Samsung to bundle advanced Gemini AI feature with the S25 series. User could receive a free trials of a premium tools and durations verified model. for 3 months of S25 to a year and Ultra variants and adding significant value to the lineup. Now, India's Computer Emergency Response Team CERTIN has issued a high-risk advisory of Google Chrome users, warning about multiple vulnerabilities and browser. These flaws could allow remote hackers to gain unauthorized access to system, potentially leading to sensitive information disclosure to system instability. The advisory affect Google Chrome for desktop version prior to for Windows and Mac for Linux. Certain operating under the Ministry of Electronics Information Technology urges user to update their browser immediately to mitigate risk. To stay secure, all end user organization and individual using Google Chrome and advised to install the latest update. Negotiating these updates could expose systems and significant cybersecurity threats. Stay vigilant and keep your software up to date. Last but not least, India has extended the deadline to implement a 30% market share cap in a digital payment app using the Unified Payment Interface to December 31, 2026. This move temporarily eases to regulatory pressure to dominant players like Walmart, backed PhonePe and Google Pay, which currently handle 85% of UPI transactions. The network processes of 13 billion monthly transactions and virtual of India's digital economy. The decision follows years of discussion on enforcing the cap without disrupting services for a million of users. Meanwhile, India lifted a restrictions on a WhatsApp Pay, allowing it to roll out a 500 million user in the country. This extension provides a clarity of PhonePe, which is considering an IPO, while signaling India's cautious approach to balancing global tech dominance and supporting a local fintech innovation. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has set ambitions of goal 2025, emphasizing AI as a cornerstone of company strategy. During a strategy meeting, the Google Mountain View headquarters, Pichai highlighted the importance of innovation and adaptability in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Central to the version of Gemini, Google versatile AI platform aimed to reaching a 500 million user and becoming a flagship product. Pichai also stressed the significance of executing well rather than being first in the competitive AI market, which includes rivals like OpenAI, update to Google's experimental AI assistant, Project Astra, and a new tool such as Jules, Notebook LM, and a Project Marnier and a Showcase. This is for today's news. For more such tech updates, follow IT Voice.